want to talk about nothing. It was a top. It was a top.
You don't want to see me on the dance floor.
You don't want to see me? What you talking about?
That's what
Your fist has a pop, right? The fuck, keep on playing. You, pop, pop, pop.
Anyway, we gonna keep this thing going. We gonna call the next artist up. Because our open mic list is so short, we gonna actually just get through the open mic and we gonna go right to the features for y'all. Next up to the mic, powerful name, y'all. Clap it up and show some love for Exodus.
Exodus, where Exodus at? What up, Jamani? My dude. Yeah. It's beautiful to see so many black people in one room, and it's not a funeral. I mean, like, this, I'm gonna admit my age. Like, I'll be 35 this year, so like,
right. What's up, man?
the vibe, the essence, you know, I used to be in this crew called Euphonics. Shout out to my EUP, my family, you know what I'm saying? We used to do events like this back in the day. Cats, you know, used to turn out way before they had deals like Rhyme Fest, and I ain't gonna say no other names and stuff, but, you know, but, I'm not really well, I'm a poet, but I don't do spoken word poetry. I'm an MC, I rhyme.
Yeah,
so, the rhyme I'm gonna do right here tonight is called Never Giving Up. I actually haven't even recorded it yet, but I'm gonna just give y'all a small taste of that. So let me see. So many issues and problems that need fixing. Still trying to see how I'ma cope with my addictions. Cause I can only do so much shopping and I love smoking weed, so I don't see myself stopping, nah. But something gotta give. All this shit I'm dealing with, it's getting hard for me to live. Should I end it all now or continue being patient? But I'm really getting tired of all this sitting and this waiting. Round table execs contemplating, debating on who's hot in the game or who's the greatest. But now they wanna look at my city, we been major. But how could they trust a city made up of haters? Damn, we hate to see our own get in position. But I'ma make it on my own despite the opposition. Trying to win this race in this wicked competition amongst all these snakes and their wicked propositions. Damn, and nothing's gonna stop me. Shout out the king, first string state property. Yeah, that's why I'm stunting for the robbers. And if you try to rob me, then you gonna have a problem. Yeah, and I don't think they can fix it. Somebody call House, man. He's spitting too much sick shit. And I see the oil got me talking all this slick shit. I'm feeling kinda tired. Please light up my prescriptions. Yeah, and I just might overdose. OG Kush got a boy feeling comatose. You think homie dope? Homie, I'm over dope. Gucci logos matching scarf with the overcoat. Face between your girl. Whoop, sound like a motorboat. Swim like a fish. I probably taught your girl to backstroke. I'm from the land of drug dealers in the crack smoke. And I'm trying to make it out. So what you think I rap for? Never giving up. What? I'm never giving up. Man, it's hard on these streets. Man, these haters make it hard for us to eat. So I'm never giving up. Yeah, can I stay on the grind? If I shine, we all gon' shine. I'm never giving up. So I sleep when I'm dead forever on that struggle to get bread. See, I'm never giving up. No. I'm never giving up. They say sleep is the cousin of death. I guess I won't sleep till I take my last breath. And even after that, when there's no air left, I'll still be nice in the afterlife. My music gon' live forever, gotta kill me twice. I talked to a couple labels, they wasn't saying no price. So if they ain't talking about paying me, they playing me. Now I'm like, I don't care what they say to me. Everything brand new, the boy hard to handle. When I won't stop till awards fill my mantle. Now chain so heavy, boy, it feel like an anvil, but I will never sell out, never be a Sambo. I'm bringing home the king. This is my grand slam, Joe. Gotta make them follow, gotta lead by example. Any hater in the way is getting stomped and trampled. Then I know I'm certified. Streets got my back, Joe. Ladies and gentlemen.